Okay, so thank you so much for being here. I hope that you've found that this connection with the water element is not something that we're separate from outside of us, having to be by a lake or by a stream, but that these aspects of nature are embodied within us and that you've been able to connect with that yourselves. And remembering that this connection with nature is always there. We're completely inseparable from nature, so that when we don't have that opportunity to sit by a lake or a stream, even just having a glass of water, we could remember this vital nourishment and the qualities and aspects of the water element that we inhabit, that are part of us. And that you can remember during this winter time to take good rest and to take good care of yourself, and to embrace the returning of the light, this solstice, as the days will be the shortest and the night is the longest, moving into the springtime. As the days grow longer and the night grows shorter, we begin to see more and more light permeating all throughout. So do take this time in the winter to rest, to reflect, to cultivate these qualities of wisdom that transforms fear, that transforms conservatism, that transforms recklessness or anything else into wisdom, into accessing your inner knowing, to recognizing what your resources are, what your opportunities are, what your options are, and making choices with wisdom to guide and to navigate your own life forward, trusting in the deeper current that moves you. Not only your own choice and your own willpower, but this deeper current of life, the river and the flow that carries you forward. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to the next workshop on the spring wood element. See you then.